Saving with Shay, and I am here for my. Let me turn this down. I be tripping y'all, cause YouTube gonna be like strike. So listen, this is gonna be my weekend haul for you guys. Look, I did this video yesterday and totally forgot to get it together, Chanel. I totally forgot to record my intro, and this was late last night when I was editing. And so I was just like, when I go to leave the gym, I'll just record the intro. So technically we already did the deals that we were going to do. And so as far as my weekend, I need, was it 15 offers? 15 offers for $3. And then of course I'm tracking for the classroom cash bonus as well. I think I might have a real good chance at hitting that, yo. Let me just say. I mean, I don't want to speak too soon, you know, but I think I might just hit it. Let me know in the comments how you guys are doing. But I wanted to mention something really quick because one of you guys hit me up in the comments and let me know that Shopmium is going to be ending. And so I wanted to mention it to you guys. I will pin the comment right here, or screenshot the comment right here, the person that let me know about it. But I guess basically they're merging with Checkout 51. So look, listen, y'all know Checkout 51 has been really whack. I mean, with the exception of like the soda deals and stuff, I think they've been pretty slow for like the last, year? And so if it's gonna improve their offers, then sure, why not? But I honestly feel like Shopmium was good on their own. Like, so they're going to merge them and hopefully make Checkout 51 better. But at the same time, I would have loved to just keep them separate, to be honest. So just a heads up on that. The other thing I wanted to mention was, aisles. Because a lot of you guys be asking me questions about aisles. Now with aisles, it might be an app, but I use the browser. I'm telling y'all, if you want to really, you know, save on your space on your phone, use the browser whenever you can. I use it for Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Ta-da. And I just save it to my home page, basically. It just makes it easier. But with aisles, I will have a link for you in the description. You click the link, and then you're going to enter your zip code and your phone number. It's going to tell you all offers available in your area. And then when you claim them, it'll go to your list. So you can actually click your list and see which ones you still have available to you. But when you claim it, they'll send you a text with the where, when, how, why. You submit your receipt, and then it goes to your PayPal. Unless you specify Venmo. But some of those offers do go straight to Venmo though. But it's either PayPal or Venmo. And they do process pretty fast. Some of them go, some actually process really fast. Others take 2 or 3 days or whatever. But definitely with those aisles offers, you got to stay on top of making sure that you're actually getting paid for them. Kind of easy with those to kind of do them and forget about them. And so I just wanted to mention that. Other than that, y'all, I'm going to toss in a couple deals from Sprouts, because I do have a Sprouts here and I do get offers there. So I have a couple offers we'll share there, and then we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can do. Did I mention subscribe? Like? Did I? If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. Really quick. Y'all know I have a fitness channel, all right? And one of y'all was asking me about my routines. It's over there. I don't post as often, but I've been consistent since December. But I do post over there. The easiest thing you can do is walk. I'm telling you that. I get my steps in. Right now it's 7:30 and I'm already at 12,049. So if you don't do nothing, walk. And so other than that, we're gonna head over to Walmart and Sprouts, see what we can do. If you want to see what your girl got, definitely keep on watching.
Check balance. Let me break it down for you. This the real challenge.
All right. The other thing I was looking for is the Daily Crunch. I don't see it though. This is another aisles offer. I don't even have a price point for you, but after the aisles offer, it is going to be free. It's a nut, so it would be over here, right? I don't see it. Next deal is on the Ouroboros. It's on the carbonated water, the 6 packs. They're priced at $9.99. I did get this coupon from Social Nature. Some of their offers, they'll send you coupons for. And they sent me this one. It expires on the 31st. So I'm going to buy 2 of these. Hopefully this coupon works perfectly fine. I'll pay $9.99 and then I'll get back $9.99 through an aisles offer. Again, I'll have a link for you in the description. Making both 6-packs absolutely free. So this next deal is on the board cow. It is priced at $4.99. And this is another aisles offer. I feel like I have quite a few aisle offers today. So we're going to get that back once we submit our receipt, making this absolutely free.
All right, so we're finally here at Walmart. Now this deal here is on the Elk Ridge ham. I really hope that you did it when I hope you did it, because I don't know if it's available anymore. So for this, I grabbed 4 separate bags of 1/4 of a pound, which is $148. The total for all 4 is $592. I did get back 1,360 points from my points, which is $855, and then $348 from checkoff 51, making all of it free, plus a $6.10 moneymaker. I went ahead and did it on both my accounts, and so yeah. All right, guys, so this deal here is on the Kinders. Now, mines were in this little sauce stand in the meat department. They are priced at $1. So you want to grab 1, getting back $1 on checkout 51. The limit is 5, so I went ahead and grabbed 5 on 2 separate transactions for both my accounts, making them absolutely free. Now, I did try this on Inbox Dollar. It did not go through there. And so free is for me.
All right, so this next deal is on the Gatorade water. These are priced at $1.98. Now, getting back $1 on Ibotta. I did find these hang tags some time ago for 75 cents off. So you'll pay $1.24 and you'll get back $1 on Ibotta, making them 24 cents each. Limit on Ibotta is 5. I'm going to go ahead and grab 4 of these and they'll all be less than $1. All right, so this is the same deal on the zero sugar. I went over this in my last video I posted for you guys. It's the Squirt Zero Sugar, it's the Sunkiss, the A&W, 7-Up, and the Canada Dry. All right, so you're going to grab 1 price at, well, you're going to grab 12. Hell, I grabbed 4. All right, you're going to grab 4. That's what you want to grab. You want to grab 4. Price at $3.77. You'll pay $15.08 out of pocket. You'll get back a total of $7.20 on checkout 51. I believe that offer is still there. And you'll get back a total of $7 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada. Brings them down to 88 cents for all 4, or only 22 cents. So next up is the Victor Allen's coffee. They have the Snicker and they have the Twix. They're priced at $2.98. For this, you want to grab 1 of them. You'll get back $1.75 on Ibotta. The limit on this is 2. We'll get back $1 inbox dollars, and then I also have $1 on Fetch Reward as well, making this a 77-cent moneymaker. Now, you could always grab 2 of them if you want. It'll make it a 54-cent moneymaker, so I think I'm going to go ahead and just grab 2. All right, so next up is the Clio. It's on the chocolate-covered like yogurt bites, price at $4.27. And you'll be getting back $2 for an aisles offer. I have a link in the description, plus $1.50 on Ibotta. Brings it down to 77 cents. Next up is the Arm & Hammer Scent Boosters. These are priced at $5.44. Getting back $4 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on Shopmium. Believe I have the same offer on Swagbucks as well, so would make this a 56-cent moneymaker. I'm thinking of grabbing a second one on a different transaction for Walmart rewards and stack that one perhaps with inbox dollars, making that one only 44 cents. Now, really quick, I did see this over here above the Snuggles, which is cool. So $2 off the Snuggles. And so, yeah, keep your eyes peeled. Really quick, I noticed that we have an offer on these bottles too. These bottles look hella small though. Is it just me, or is the shrinkage really flipping real? Okay, so these are priced at, what is that, $3.84? Getting back $2 on Ibotta makes it $1.84. If this is something that you absolutely really need. And of course, I'm grabbing the Airwick Advanced again as well. I don't know if this offer is still available. When I did it, there was a timer, like a 24-hour timer. But it's priced at $3.98, getting back $4. This one just kept resetting, y'all. And it kept resetting on Walmart rewards too. So I think I did it 3 times on Walmart rewards and 3 times on Ibotta, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. So of course I had to grab this deal again with the little critters. They're priced at $5.23. So I'm going to grab 2 of them. I'll pay $10.46, getting back 1,020 points on my points, which is $6.41, making these 23 cents each. I think in my last video I said they was 5 cents each. I also grabbed the multibites again. The store that I was at, they only had 2 of these. So I grabbed 2 at $5.98. And I also grabbed 2 of the B12s at $6.58. So this deal ended up costing me a little bit more than it did last time, but I figured it's still a pretty good deal. You end up paying $25.12 out of pocket. You'll get back a total of $12 on Tada and then $8 on Ibotta, making them $1.28 each. Okay, the other thing I'm gonna grab over here, one of you guys hit me up and said to check into the offers for Nature Made. So I did, but I didn't see the offer on Shopkick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal. So it's on the Nature Made Zero Sugar Multi Gummies. It's priced at $10.48, getting back 3 on Ibotta, 2 on ShopMium, 2 on Inbox, and 900 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.60, making this a 12-cent moneymaker. They have this one, and then they have a couple other ones that you can grab as well. So this next deal is on the Attention Grace. We did this in my last video. Now, I didn't think that I was getting back the 5 for buying 2, but I actually did. So that ended up working out good for me. So if you want to do this deal, you want to grab 2 of them. This store only has, actually, wait a minute. This is for 14 count. Oh, this one don't even go here. This one goes down here. This one don't even go there. That one goes down there. So for this, you want to grab 2 of the 14 count at $7.98. Your total is going to come to $15.96. You'll get back $4 for each on Ibotta. There's also $5 on aisles for buying 2. I'll have a link in the description, making them only $1.48 each. Guys, this deal here is on the Pinkie Tween and Teen Pads, priced at $8.98. I'm gonna grab 2 of them. I'll pay $17.96. I'll get back $4.50 for each on Ibotta. There's also a BOGO offer for aisles, getting back $8.98, making them both free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. Last but not least is the Summer's Eve, which they're priced at $1.94. Guess they would be, oh, there they go, back there. See them? Right there. So you want to grab 1 of those. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on Fetch Reward as well, making it a 6-cent moneymaker. Now I went ahead and grabbed 3 since the limit on Fetch is 3, making them all free. So other than that, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. I did mention in a community post that the Folgers, the instant one, didn't work for me on checkout 51. I was going to take it back, but you know, I love me some coffee, so it's not like I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep it, but it didn't work for me. I know one of you guys said it is still working for you. I don't know if the offer excluded those before, but it did work the last 2 weeks, and it didn't work this week. The Craze sweet corn crackers, that was a deal I did at Vons. I've had that on Social Nature forever and finally went to Vons to grab it. At $4.99, 50-cent digital coupon. I paid $4.49, and I still got back the $4.99 for Social Nature, so they made that a 50-cent moneymaker. All right, so I had to return the breakfast bars at the top right. That was a deal I did at Sprouts. I thought it was buy one, get it free, but it was actually buy one, get one free. So I have to return that. And then for the Airwick, I actually didn't credit for the one for Walmart rewards. So I'm going to return that as well. Because as you guys know, Walmart, their customer service sucks when it comes to Walmart rewards. But I will include a clip at the end of how to contact support if you need to. And so everything that you see here retails $200.35. I had $14.50 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $185.85. Our sales tax was $6.66. And then we walk away with $58.50 from Ibotta, $38.96 from Aisles, $32.23 from Checkout 51, $28 from Tada, $18.71 from My Points, $9 for Inbox dollars, $5 from Fetch, $4.99 from Social Nature, $4 for Walmart Rewards, $4 for ShopMium, and last but not least, $3.60 from Shopkick, walking away with a total of $206.99, making everything you see here free plus a $21.14 moneymaker. And after tax, we still make $14.48. And so other than that, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. And then our emoji, just like, what was your emoji again? Gold. He said gold. I don't know if there's a gold emoji, y'all. If there's not a gold, huh? You seen one before? Do you have a backup? A gold bar? A diamond? So either gold or diamond. If you get to the end of the video. As always, we really appreciate you guys watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Guys, I totally forgot the ham. And I'm not doing a retake. We ain't doing no retake. But I'm about to throw this in the freezer and freeze it. I'm gonna take a couple bags out and I'm gonna freeze the rest. And so yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to get in touch with customer support via chat. So from the home screen, we're gonna click account. And then we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna click give feedback. Then we're gonna click help center. Scroll down and click chat with automated assistant. And then from here, this is kind of tedious because you have to go through this cycle twice, but we're going to scroll down and click something else. We're going to click Walmart Cash. It's going to give you some information. Just say no, it didn't help. And you're going to basically describe what happened. I keep this super brief because again, you'll have to go through this twice. So I just put didn't get Walmart Cash. It's going to give you the same information about Walmart Cash. Did this help? No, it didn't. And then it's going to ask you to describe it again. And this second time, you can be more descriptive if you want. I usually just put didn't get Walmart Cash. And then it's going to ask you if you want to chat or if you want to call. I usually just chat. And yeah, it's super, super easy.